This is Hassan.
Yes, Hassan, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I had a question regarding Witr prayer.
Okay.
If one prays Witr, what? Witr, then when will he pray Witr? After when he remembers?
So did he remember it at night or the following day?
And after night, the following day, and what will he pray 3 rakah or 4 rakah?
It was established.
Will he pray in even or odd rakah?
Yeah, it was established that Umar ibn al-Khattab used to make up his witr during the day between the sunrise and dhuhr. But of course, the odd number is exclusive to the night salah. So if he used to pray 1 rak'ah, he would pray 2. If he used to pray 3, he can pray 4. So he needs to make them even, because odd numbers, witr, number of rak'at, is exclusive to the night salah. Jazakallah khair.